price prediction. What do we know about XLM? Well, that's gonna be very interesting as a concept to even think about, to even analyze. Because right now we're kind of bearish. Look at this money flow going down. This red thing curving down. Do you see the curvature? It's down. Money's going out of market. View up. Volume. Where's the volume leading us? Down. Shorts on the 3-hour chart. Where are they? Up. They're up. Look at this. 2 mil shorts, 1.4 mil shorts. We're bearish. So here's the trade that I would be looking to take right here in the exact playbook. Obviously this video is not financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. What do I even know? I'm gonna short from right here. I'm gonna take profit at 38993. Yes, it's 0.35% trade, 10x leverage, 3.5%. I'm happy if I can get 2.6% per day. That's 100% per month with compound, because 3.3% when it's compounded. So if I can get half of these trades every 14 hours, I'll be good. So we already have a lot of other trades. This will be a very quick scalp. Yes, we can have a lot better trades. We have some longer term things that we've talked about. I said we're gonna dump. Yesterday we did dump. I think we'll have more dumps for today. We'll see how it will play out. Love you with all my heart. If you want to learn more from me, we're up to 174 grand on meme coins. Have some resources. I have my signal chart in the description, plus 8 grand worth of bonuses from BOOX, from BingX. I'm trading on BOOX. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.